It literally was pouring thunderstorming yesterday. It was thunderstorming out in the environment and in my life. Oh yeah. Still in New Jersey, haven't hit the road yet. Waiting on plumbing to be completed. This is our work spot for the day. We've been here many times, love it so much. And I just wanted to show a reality of this experience. I left a candle up here and it spilled and melted everywhere. So now this is melted in. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's too funny. Beautiful. We're alone, but seeing humans, so we're running for cover. Off into the forest we go. Come on, mama. Leave no trace. All the people, look. Feels like an episode of The Last of Us. Very beautiful girl. How are you? You can take as many breaks as you need, pretty girl, okay? You got nowhere to be. Speak of bees. And you made me a dog mama. I'm very grateful. I am. You want to sniff some more? Oh, you want to lay in the shade? Okay. Oh, there's a yucky, disgusting cigarette touching my dog right now. Oh, man. People suck. Looking for the gross cigarette butt. Gross. Mama. Jemmy. I'm talking to you. Can you wait, please? Not glamorous. Oh, no. And the bag rips. Look at my dog who just decided to take herself a walk. Excuse me. She's like, I'm trying to walk over here. Taking breaks, of course. Noticing that ever-present sense that feels like it needs to rush. And just not allowing it to take the wheel. letting my shoulders drop, knowing that my feet, my hips, my legs are carrying me, and that I am safe and grounded. I'm calling for help from God, and you have to listen and watch for the answers. Please don't take away my reason for being. Mama, you want water? I'm happy to give you some. Okay, so I've lost footage a bunch of times, but this is the kitchen setup. Turn the lights on. Got a little spice rack. A little oven, toaster oven. This is my key hook, which is also an adorable little butterfly. Love it. Got this basket just for like paper towels, wipes, and just whatever. Stuffed animal my friend gave me before I left. Pantry. It's got some hooks for some hats and dog leashes and whatever. Got a little JBL. And look how cute these freaking hooks are. They're little dog butts. Can't deal. Jimmy's bowl and our welcome mat. So this is the gray tank. This is where the dirty water just drains from here to this tube, and then I empty this. And this is 6 gallons. And then this is the freshwater tank. This is 7 gallons, and it only pulls about 6 before it starts giving me issues with air in the line. Pulls in through this tank, goes up through here through this quick disconnect, goes back through this pump, which is the Sea Flow. It's marine grade, and it's the 33. And then the pump obviously sends it up through that white tube in the back, I believe, to the faucet. That's pretty much it. And then that's a filter that it runs through as well before reaching the sink. So it's drinkable and safe and all the good stuff. And I came up with the ideas. I got the jugs. I got these tubes from Camping World. These jugs you can get kind of anywhere. And then my dad got all this PVC pipe and all these fittings, and it took quite a bit to make it all work. But he figured it out. He's awesome like that. And then I just kind of tuck that behind there. I haven't put a bracket yet, but I would like to put an additional L bracket to support this. But yeah, it's pretty simple. It works. All right, so I didn't organize these, but this is utensils, can openers, garbage bags, some extra sponges, batteries and lighters, knives, like that. This is the junk drawer. That's that. This is essentially another food storage drawer, pantry, coffee. And then this is all the pots and pans and such. Propane. Yeah. Also, when you're walking in, I have these fruit hanging bags, some cards from friends before I left, some towels here, and then this is my medicine cabinet. Toiletries, skincare, makeup and whatever, stuff like that. And I did get these baby locks because everything flies open when you drive. Kind of wish I got the black ones for here, but it is what it is, it's fine. So we just lock these up before driving when I remember. Beautiful soul, and she's the one that sends me all the cardinals. And then, of course, my queen. On this photo of Gem here. It's the inspiration behind exploring gems and everything that I do. And this is my bedroom. Got the little twinklies up. Bookshelves. I always have a fan going. All right, I'm not complaining because I chose this life, right? But like, my pump's running. So I'm like, let me come check it out. And there's no water in the hose. So there's some kind of pressure loss. There's a little water right there. It's not good. All right, I gotta see if something's kinked. Okay, first night with a sink, and I just fixed it. I'm actually really proud. I just kind of was like, all right, well, I gotta handle this, so let me figure it out. Let me troubleshoot. So down in here, right here, you can even still see it. Let me see how it's like deformed a little. But anyhow, yep, you can see it there. There's water in the line now again. Got the kink out, and good to go. Literally been vending till I break nearly with this van build experience with that company. 111 on the timer, but just trying to make the best of it. Everything, like so many things were crumbling, but anyway, I fixed that. You can't really see it, but this looks a lot better. So now I'm just gonna go all the way around. I'm gonna do this shitty part too. Oh, stop. Hunter's enjoying our van. Yeah. Ah! Oh. Whoa! Oh! He just flipped. Night full of grumbling. Look at these cutie pies. It's too funny. Hello, gorgeous. Tell them about our new friend. Yeah, ever since we left the screens off for the cabinet. Ugh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Come on, friend. Come on, why don't you drop down? Drop down and get your eagle on, girl. Good morning. Another day of my DC outlet not working that the van company installed. So I'm having to plug in my power station, charge my fridge. Keep my fridge on. So luckily we're getting good sun today. Pulling in 153 watts of solar. What do you think, mommy? I love you. You're very beautiful. I'm just working. One of my favorite things in an unfamiliar area is just to put in park on the map and just zoom in and just look for places that are like right on the water, and then you just drive there and check it out. And sometimes it's really, really cool. This is like a marina, or actually a lot of times it's really cool. Real? Wow. Well, that one is fun. It's nice. I don't know. Tell me your feelings on this. Hear me out, okay? There's an entire beautiful empty parking lot pretty much, but yeah, everyone's got to park right on top of me. I don't know. And I saw this cute little crab shop, but they're closed. This one's trying to jump out the window, girl. What you doing? Don't do that, honey. You can't do that. Soft shell crab and fries for $17.95. I wish.